Hi, I'm Chef Nick Kim,
I'm Chef Jimmy Lau.
chef owners of Shuko in New York City. Omakase traditionally is driven by the chef and Mother Nature. It has to be driven by seasonality or it really can't be considered omakase. The beauty of omakase as a diner is the surprises and the things that you look forward to at the moment. What we do here is we really emphasize the courses to go one after the other in a seamless way so that the meal is a cohesive dinner. I think the counter is definitely an experience of its own. You do really get to see everything. There is no hiding. There's no walls between us. You see it being cut, you see us being prepared, and you see it being served at that moment. Jimmy and I, we are into freshness. You will see on a daily basis fresh bluefin tuna to live squid. The squid is throbbing, the bluefin is just shining. We think that it makes the biggest difference.
So first fish we prepare is sayori, the needlefish. I will start from taking the scale out and cut the head off and the guts off and the bones off. And when I start doing the sushi, I dice a small piece, then I put a little soy sauce and yuzu zest on that. And then we do the tuna, the toro.
So we try to get the tuna that is straight from the resource to our restaurant. We break it down into maybe 4 or 5 different preparations per night. Just a simple toro piece, which is just gonna melt in your mouth.
The toro is from the bluefin tuna, the belly side. And I was take out the skin and the fats. And I separate line by line the sinew and the meat.
The membrane part, we sear, grill in order to denature the toughness in it. Then we also have the option of the charcoal bintachan grilled toro, which is from the collar part. A nakauchi piece means from the spine, there's a perfect groove of meat in between the tuna bone, which we scrape, and you get this beautiful texture.
We use the abalone shell because the tuna carries so much iron, and the shell will help not oxidize so quickly. I personally like with a little bit garlic on that.
Jimmy likes garlic, I like ginger. Just to throw in there. Jimmy and I both met at Masa in 2005, and we spent a lot of time talking about food and our philosophy on it, and it seemed like we had a lot in common. My training was a little bit more traditional, so a lot of it is philosophical. There's a lot of discussion of colors and the way things behave. I've spent 10 years with Masa, so for me, I learned not just the skills that I practice today, but the more romantic side as well. That's priceless.